welcome to today's video. I'm Lisa with Down to Earth Gardening and Design, and I'm so happy to bring you this video because it's on daffodils and some design tips for daffodils. So I love my daffodils and I have a few tips for you. I love seeing all their cheery little faces first thing in the spring. I really look forward to it towards the end of winter. Things get so drab. I live in New England, I'm in zone 6B, so we get really excited about seeing daffodils. So I have quite a few varieties here and I'm going to show you around my yard and how I've designed with them here while I give you some design tips for them. So the first tip is I like to plant my daffodils in groups. So this here is probably what you're seeing is some of the smaller groups that I've planted. And I have to tell you that even these here are roughly 15 to 20 daffodil bulbs per group. So I really like to do little mass plantings because I feel like they really stand out more. They really pop and you really take notice. So number two is naturalize with your daffodils. So when I say naturalize, I mean don't get super picky about the placement of them unless you're putting them in a formal garden. But you can see back here, the back patio is backed up against the woods here, and so I have my groups kind of random in the garden and pretty close to the wooded boundary here. So that's kind of how things grow in nature, is just random. Things aren't really symmetrical, so I just kind of have them mapped out in some different spots and I think they look really pretty, which brings me to my next tip. So number three is mix your daffodils in your garden with some other things. So this is really going to extend your seasonal appeal. So once these fade, you're going to have the green blades here, the strappy leaves, and those will be pretty for a little while, but then they disappear. So you also want to have some other plants to complement them and give you curb appeal through the whole growing season. And also you want to think about even planting some things that look really pretty with the daffodils. So I have some little plants here, some pulmonaria here, and I also have a deutzia, little shrub here, which I think the foliage looks really pretty, and the perennials, the color, the flowers look really pretty with the daffodils. So I love combining them with some other interesting plants. My next tip is to plant some different varieties. Now, daffodils come in early, mid, and late spring blooming varieties. So in order to stretch your flowers out through at least 6 or 7 weeks, you're going to want to get a little bit of each. So you can see that I have a variety here. This was early spring, more of a traditional daffodil here. But you can see how it's fading, and that's because it's mid-spring. So then we have some other daffodils that are really starting to shine. So make sure you look at the description when you're ordering your bulbs and you want a combination of early, mid, and late blooming. So I want to bring you out to the front yard because I want to show you some bigger groups out there and just give you some more examples of ways that you can design in your garden with the daffodils. Okay, I'm out in the front yard and I have a few more groups out here that I want you to see. So I have a few larger groups out here. I'm looking down at the boulder wall project. So we're trying to fill in a lot of space here, and I love using my daffodils because you all probably already know they are deer and rodent resistant, and I've had some struggles if you've seen some of my videos with both of those. So I love my daffodils, and I have a lot of full sun here in the front, so they're really doing well. So my next tip about daffodils is mix up the style. So they come in so many different flower shapes. And I'm just going to show you a couple here. But the American Daffodil Society has 13 classifications for daffodils based on their shape. And we'll have some more daffodil videos coming in the future because we love them so much. But this is a peony style daffodil. So it is a gorgeous double. And just a little aside, because this is one of my favorites this year, this is called My Story. And you can see the colors here, blush pink. And then you have this one here, which is another double, yellow and orange. And then you have a small cupped single here. So mix up your styles. And then last but not least, mix up your colors. And you can mix your groups or you can do individual groups of all the same, but the point is that they do come in so many different colors. So they come in whites, they come in creams, different shades of yellow, orange, peach, and even pink. So mix it up a little bit and I'm sure you're going to find a color and a style that you love. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the Designing with Daffodil video. I appreciate all of you at home, and if you like this video, please go ahead and tap like and subscribe to our channel because we love gardening and we have lots more gardening videos coming your way.